Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to upload videos to TikTok without losing the quality. So make sure that your TikTok account is opened up, and then you have to click on the three lines onto the top right side of the screen. Then you have to go into the settings and privacy, and then down here you will see this option called data saver. So if for any reasons, if this option is enabled, you just have to turn this off. Okay, just click on this toggle and the data saver will turned off. And after this, the second method is that if you have a fast internet at your home, then I suggest you to switch from sim mode to your Wi-Fi mode. Just connect with your Wi-Fi here. Okay, and because if your Wi-Fi has a good speed, then it will also help the quality of the video. And the third step is make sure that the video that you are uploading to the TikTok must be in good quality and big size. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.